Sobrang daming nag-aasa sa akin, ma'am, paano po ang fiancé visa? Paano i-process? My gosh, guys, ang daming nagtatanong kasi nga, medyo successful yung mga US visa videos ko. And maraming na-approve ha, in terms of tourist visa, dun sa mga tips na nabigay ko. Pero pag fiancé visa po kasi, may mga complications yan. So, meron akong friend, actually, story time muna. Nagkakilala sila nung asawa niya here in the Philippines. Tapos, dinala siya ng asawa niya in America. Pero it took them a really long time to process the whole thing. Nung una kasi dini-DIY nila. So, submit ng documents, nagkakamali sa mga form, ganyan-ganyan. So, lalong na-delay ng na-delay. Siyempre, habang magkalayo sila, nagkaaaway din sila kasi parang hirap mag-long distance relationship, di ba? Hanggang may nag-recommend nga sa kanila itong Filipino visa. Itong Filipino visa, as in from start to finish, they really helped out my friend. So, she was able to go to America na and be with her husband para hindi na magkaroon ng mga mistakes. Pati nga mock interview, they were even able to help her like for the interview dun sa embassy kung anong sasabihin, anong mga kailangan mong i-highlight to make sure na ma-approve talaga yung fiancé visa. And then they will be giving you like ano yung expectation in terms of timelines, ganyan. So, my recommendation is for you to really hire out a professional when you're processing a fiancé visa. Kasi guys, diba, buhay nyo yan, love life nyo yan. Gusto nyo ba ma-delay pa kayo at mag-LDR pa kayo, long distance relationship pa, dahil sa mga mistakes of processing your visa? Wag na lang. I-hire out nyo na yan, di ba? Parang lambingin nyo na si partner, sabihin nyo na, sige na, pa-process na natin kay Filipino visa para maayos na lahat at planchadong-planchado. So yon, Filipino visa is the only visa service that I can really recommend that will give you the best chance of a successful processing for your fiancé visa or spousal visa. So the link is below. Inquire lang kayo dyan. They're super helpful and nice.